Yeah. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the session of interview preparation. My name is Ashish Singh, and today we will see some SQL interview set of questions and answers, which might be helpful to you during the interview process. So, as you can see, that today topic is SQL. Uh, our first question is, what is DBMS? Okay, it's in capital. So I'm giving you something about 5 seconds. So please send me your answer in chat. And send me the full form of DBMS also. Okay. Yeah. So what is DBMS? A database management system, okay, is a program that controls creation maintenance, which database rather than saving it in the system. That is called our database management system. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. What is RDBMS? Quick reply, friends. Okay. So what is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management, okay, System. So what is this? RDBMS store data into the sorry, I have to give space there. So yeah, RDBMS store data into the collection, okay, collection of what? Tables, which is related by common fields between columns of the tables. Okay. So what we have learned, RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Okay. RDBMS restore the data into the collection of tables, which is related by common fields between the columns of the between the columns of the tables. Okay. It's table only, not tables. So it also provides, okay, relational operators to manipulate the data stored into the tables. So this is our called RDBMS. Okay. Now move to the next question, the third one. Okay. Oh yeah, we have example of that. Let me write it. Example is SQL. Okay. SQL Server. So now move to the next question. What is SQL? Please quick response, guys. I think everybody knows that what is the full form of SQL, right? Yeah. Structured query language. And it is used to communicate with the what? database. Okay. And this is a standard language used to perform tasks such as retrieval, updation, insertion, and deletion of the data from a database. Like standard SQL commands are select. What is this? Select. Most of the time we are using, right? Like select a star from the table name, where this field, this field, this field, right? Yeah. So now move to the next question. Like what is a database? Sorry, let me write in. Yeah. What is a database? Waiting for your answers, guys. So, give me a minute. Let me clear this so you can see the questions. Okay. Yeah. So, what is database? Database is nothing but an organized form of data for easy access. Okay. Or what? Storing, retrieval. Okay. Retrieval. I think my spelling is not wrong. Okay. Why showing red? Okay. Storing. Yeah. Retrieval. Okay. And what? And managing of data. Okay. So this is also known as what, friends? Structured form. Structured form of data, which can be accessed in many ways. Okay. So can someone give me the example? Like what is database? Database is nothing but an organized form of data for easy access, storing, retrieval, and managing of data. Okay. This is also known as structured form of data, which can be used, which can be accessed in many ways. And what is the example here? As you can see, we have school management database. Okay. And bank management database, because there are lots of accounts, right? And in school there are lots of students. That's why. Okay. So now move to our next question. Let me delete this one. Yeah. So what are tables and fields? This one is very important, guys. Please respond. Yeah. So what are tables and fields? First, we have to talk about table. A table is a set of data that are organized in a model with columns and rows. Okay. Columns can be categorized as vertical and rows are horizontal. A table has a specified number of counts. Okay. Like I'm giving an example. Like table we are giving like a employee. Okay. And field, what we will give field like example, take it as a employee ID. Okay. employee name, or like a date of birth. Okay. And like data, also we have an example like that. Like data, you can take it 0, 1 to 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. David, or what we have, date of birth, right? Employee ID, employee name, and date of birth. You can give my one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So these are the example of tables and fields. So now, friends, move to the next question. Do we have? Yeah, that is also important. Always in every interview, if you are giving for Python developer or for data scientist or anything, in SQL they are asking what is primary key. 100% they will ask this question. Yeah, if anyone knows, please respond in chat box. So what is primary key? Primary key is a combination of fields, okay, which uniquely, UELI, right, uniquely specify a row. Okay, so this is a special kind of unique key. Okay, this is a special kind of unique key, and it has implicit, like not null constraints. Sorry, constraints. Okay, so it means what? It means primary key values what cannot be null, right? See, a primary key is a combination of fields which uniquely specify a row. This is a special kind of unique key and it has implicit not null constraints. Okay, it means primary key values cannot be null. So that is called our primary key. So now move to the next question. What is unique key? Please respond if anyone knows. Let me tell you what is a unique key. A unique key constants uniquely identified each record in the database. Okay, this provides uniqueness for the column or set of columns, right? Or a primary key constant has automatic unique key constant defined on it, but not in the case of unique key. There can be many unique constants defined per table, but only one primary key constant defined per table. Okay. Let me repeat once. A unique key constants uniquely identified each record in the database. Okay. This provides uniqueness for the column or set of columns. A primary key constants has automatic unique key defined on it, but not in the case of unique key, because there can be many unique constants defined per table, but only one primary key constant defined per table. Okay. So that is called our unique key. And our next question is, what is foreign key? Guys, this is also an important question. Okay, because most of the interviewer are asking like this, that what is primary key, what is unique key, what is foreign key. Okay, and joins will come later on, joins after this. Okay, so what is foreign key? This is a keyword. Okay, oh, sorry, foreign key. Oh, okay, I can write like this. A foreign key is one table, okay, which can be related to the primary key of another table. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have to give space there. Yeah, a foreign key is one table which can be related to the primary key of another table. Okay, now relationships. Okay, relationship needs to be created, okay, between two tables by referencing foreign key with the what? Which key, guys? With the primary key of another table. Another table. Let me repeat once. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake. A foreign key is one table which can be related to the primary key of another table. Relationship needs to be created between two tables by referencing foreign key with the primary key of another table. That is called foreign key. So that was our 8th one. Now move to our next question, the 9th. Yeah. As what is join? Tell me fast. I'm waiting. Yeah. So what is join? This is a keyword used to query data from more tables, okay, on the relationship between, okay, relationship between the fields of the table. Fields of the table. Yeah. So keys play a major role when joins are used. Okay, so this is a join. What is it? This is a keyword used to query data from more tables on the relationship between the files based on the tables based on, okay, yeah, table based on the relationship between the fields of the table. Okay, keys play a major role when joins are used. We'll talk later, don't worry. Okay, so now move to the next question, our 10th. That, okay, let me write in short. Types of join and explain each. Okay. We'll not see all the types, but some few types we'll see. Okay. Yeah. Please reply in chat, guys. Yeah. So how many types we have? Uh, there are various types of joins, okay, which can be used to retrieve data, and it depends on the relationship between tables. So first one we have inner join. What is this? Inner join. Inner join return return rows when there is at least one match of the rows between the tables. One match of rows between the tables. Okay, that is called our inner join. And next one is right join. So what is this? Right join returns right join return rows rows which are common between the tables, okay, and all rows of right hand side, okay, right hand side table. Yeah. So simply, okay, it returns all the rows from the right side. Right hand side, simply it give a space, okay. Yeah, right hand side, right hand side table, okay, even though there are no matches in the left hand side table, okay. Please note down, friends. What is right join? Right join returns rows which are common between the tables and all rows of right hand join, okay, right hand side table. Simply it returns all the rows from the right hand side table even though there are no matches in the left hand side table, okay. That is called our right join. So our third one is left join, okay. What is left join? Hmm, let me explain by my without writing, okay. Left join returns rows which are common between the tables and all rows of left hand side table. Did you got it? Left join returns rows which are common between the tables and all rows of left hand side table. Simply, it returns all the rows from left hand side table even though there are no matches in the right hand side table, okay. They are same like right join or left join, only the changes are that right or left, okay. Our fourth one is we have full join. Oh, sorry. full join. So what is full join, friends? Full join combines the result of both left and right outer join. Okay. The join table will contain all records from both the tables and fill in nulls for missing matches on either side. If the value is missing, so it will print null value. Okay. Yeah. So now move to our next question, like 11th. Okay. And let me delete this one. Yeah. Yeah, 11th question. What is normalization? Please respond in chat, friends. Yeah. So what is normalization? So normalization is the process. Okay. What? Normalization is the process of minimizing. Okay. I'm not talking about the data science normalization. It is a SQL normalization. So process of minimizing redundancy. Sorry. Redundancy. Okay. And dependency by organized fields. Okay. And tables of the database. Okay. So the main aim of normalization, okay, is to add, comma, delete or modify fields that can be made in single table. Okay, so that is called our normalization. Let me repeat once. Normalization is the process of minimizing redundancy and dependency by organized fields and tables of the database. The main aim of normalization is to add, delete, or modify fields that can be made in single table. Okay, in a single table. So now move to our next question. What is denormalization? Anyone knows about this answer? Please respond in chat. Denormalization. So what's that? Denormalization, okay, is a technique used to access the data, from higher to lower, normal forms, okay, of what? Database. It is also process of introducing what was that? Redundancy into a table by incorporating, okay, sorry, incorporating data from the related tables. So that is called denormalization. What is that? Denormalization is a technique used to access the data from higher to lower normal forms of database. It is also a process of introducing redundancy into a table by incorporating data from the related tables. So now move to our next question. Okay. What are all the different normalizations? Please respond in chat box, friends, if anyone knows. So the normal forms can be divided into 5 forms. Okay. And they're explained like we have first is first normal form. Okay. What we are called is we are saying like 1NF. Okay. So this should remove all the duplicate columns from the table. Creation of tables for the related data and identification of unique columns. So this is the use of first normal form. Let me repeat once. This should remove all the duplicate columns from the table, creation of tables for the related data and identification of a unique columns. Okay. Another one we have second normal form, or what we are calling in a short form like 2NF. So what is it? Meeting all requirements of the first normal form, placing the subsets of data in separate tables and creation of relationship between the tables using primary keys. That is called second normal form. Okay. After that we have third normal form. We are calling as in a short 3NF. What is that? This should meet all requirements of 2NF, means second normal form. Okay. Removing the columns which are not dependent on primary key constraints. That is called third normal form. And the last one we have fourth normal form. What is this? 4NF. Okay. So what is fourth normal form? Meeting all requirements of third normal form, and it should not have multi-value dependency. Okay. What? Meeting all the requirements of third normal form, and it should not have multi-value dependency. That is called our 4NF. Okay. Now move to the next question. What is a view? Tell me guys if anyone knows what is a view. So a view is a virtual table. Okay, it's a virtual table which consists of a subset of data contained in a table. Okay, so views are not virtually present, and it takes less space to store. Okay, and view can have data of one or more tables, okay, combined, and it is depending on the relation. Okay, so what is a view? A view is a virtual table which consists of a subset of data contained in a table. Views are not virtually present and it takes less space to store. View can have data of one or more table combined and it is depending on the relationship. Okay. So now move to our next question. What is an index? Okay. Please reply in chat box. So what is an index? An index is performance tuning method of allowing faster retrieval of records from the table. An index creates an entry for each value and it will be faster to retrieve data. So what is an index, friends? An index is performance tuning method of allowing faster retrieval of records from the table. An index creates an entry for each value and it will be faster to retrieve data. So now move to our next question. What are all types of indexes? All different types we can write. Okay. Tell me, friends. So there are three types of indexes. First one is unique index. Okay. What is that? Let me write it. This indexing does not allow it to have duplicate values if the column is unique indexed. Okay. So unique index can be applied automatically when primary key is defined. When primary key is defined. Okay, that is called our unique index. Second one, we have clustered index. Okay, so this type of index recorders, okay, if it's recorders, sorry, not recorders, reorders the physical order of the table and search based on the key values. Okay, in that each table can have only one clustered index. You're getting my point, friends? What is cluster index? This type of index reorders the physical order of the table and search based on the key values. Each table can have only one clustered index. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and our third type is non-clustered index. Okay, so what is it? Let me write. Non-clustered index does not allow, does not alter the physical order, okay, of the table and maintains what? Logic order. Okay, friends. So what are all different types of indexes? Unique index. This indexing does not allow the field to have duplicate values if the column is unique indexed. Okay. Unique index can be applied automatically when primary key is defined. And what is cluster index? This type of index records the physical order of the table and search based on the key values. Each table can have only one cluster index. Okay. The another one, what is non-cluster index? Non-cluster index does not alter the physical order of the table and maintains logic order. Okay, friends. So the time is up. So we are going to end the day here. Okay, and we'll continue our SQL questions from tomorrow. So have a great day, friends, and we will meet again in the next session. Thank you so much.